Hey guys, this is DPM Journey checking in with you. Today I got a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. It was running kind of cool, slightly overheating occasionally. It was real weird. It's put up a code PO128 that says that the engine was running cool. So I want to show you what I did, and it's 9 times out of 10 is the issue. It's changing the thermostat, which is real particular. You got to make sure you bleed all the air out of it. I'll show you. And this is on the 3.6 liter. First step, you got to go underneath right here. The driver's side right here. There's a little drain plug right underneath there. Well, you'll see it's a little red thing. You got to turn it, loosen it, let the antifreeze out. Then you come up here when it's cool, when it's draining, take the cap off to let it drain, catch it. Then you got to get a flathead screwdriver, take this clamp off, take it off here, take the power steering pump reservoir off, loosen it, lean it over. I undo the clips, take the top off, take the air filter out, and then this pulls out on some rivets. Then right down in here, you can see the thermostat right there. Hold on a minute. See it right there? There's a little flathead on it. When you put it on there, fill it up completely, burp it out a little bit with your hand on the radiator hose, get some air out of it. Fire it up and turn the heat on the inside. Let it run. When it starts to warm up, then go down here with a flathead screwdriver along the flathead, loosen it, let the air out. You got to do this a bunch to get all the air out for it to run right. And once you're sure you got all the air out, then run her down the road for about 20-30 minutes, and then come back, shut it off, let it cool off. When it's cooled off, take the cap off, check it, make sure there's antifreeze in it. And your overflow right here, make sure there's antifreeze in it. You see it right there, you can see it. But if you don't drain all the air out of this motor, it's going to give you issues. It's going to keep overheating, and it takes a lot. It took me probably a half an hour bleeding air out, and then I drove it, brought it back and let it cool off, and it was low again. I have no leaks because you're letting all that antifreeze out. That's what it takes. This is DPM Journey checking out. Till next time.